What is up, Match Attack Masters? It's your boy Match Attack Man doing a Match Attack opening video. As you can see, I already opened these Match Attacks, but don't worry guys, I didn't look at the contents. So, let's get right into it. First off, goalkeeper from Burnley, Tom Heaton. Oh yeah. Next is defender from that club, Andrew Robertson. Nice. Highest skill, speed. Nice. Next up, we've got a midfielder from Crystal Palace, Wilfred Zaha. Oh yeah. There you go. Highest start, speed again. Nice. Now we've got a forward from West Bromwich Albion. Let's go. Oh, Solomon Rondon. He's a super striker, and his highest stat is power. Nice. Okay, now we've got a defender from West Ham, Winston Reid. Oh yeah. Highest stat, power. Nice. Midfielder from Tottenham. Nice. Oh yeah, that's a good card. 4 stars, highest power and passing. Nice. Next we've got a midfielder from Arsenal. We've got Xhaka, everyone. We've got Xhaka. Oh yeah, highest rate passing. He is a 5-star. Nice. Okay, as you know, I will be giving this away to all my Match Attack Live players. Here you go. This is a code right now. There's your code for Ben Foster. Nice. Okay, next we've got it's Stoke City. Oh, oh yeah. Nice. And now we've got a defender from Southampton. Are you ready? The last card. Who's it going to be? Oh yeah, highest rated, 94 tackle. He is a defender. Nice. Van Dijk. Man of the match. Van Dijk. That's it for this video, guys. See you all later.